welcome to SuperGrads channel. I am Komal and today we are going to discuss a very important form, that is IIFT Kakinada. To begin with, this registration is only valid for students who have already registered themselves in IIM Indore, because IIFT Kakinada accepts the score of IIM Indore. Now, as you can see, the website is already open behind me. I'll select on the academic part and then select integrated program and management. Once the integrated program management is selected, I have all the details provided on the website with about the integrated program which IIFT Kakinada offers, about the program objectives and the curriculum, etc. Now we have to apply online, we have to click on apply online button. Once we click on the apply online, we have this page where they have mentioned all the essential requirements while filling the form. The first is qualification. Candidates should have passed 10th and 12th examination from any stream, that is arts, commerce, science or equivalent, with 60% for general category and 55% for reserved category. The candidate must have passed 10th examination with 60%. Same for general category and 55% for reserved category. Now, maths and business mathematics is compulsory to get yourself registered in IIFT Kakinada. Candidates who wish to apply for IIFT Integrated Program in Management must have mandatory registered themselves in IIM Indore, as I mentioned earlier. Now, about the important dates. It's the last date to apply online for IPMAT Indore was 17th of April. It is closed now. Last day to apply for online for IIFT is 16th of May. We have time, but we need to hurry up. Now, the entrance exam for IIM Indore will be conducted on 16th of June, that is Friday. Now, about the fees. Application fees for general category OBC for IPMAT Indore was 4,130 rupees, and for IIFT it is 2,000 rupees. For category like ST, SC and PWD candidates, it was 2,065 rupees for IPMAT Indore, and for IIFT it is 1,000. How to apply? The first step for registration was that you have to get yourself registered in IIM Indore website. After that, you will be provided with user ID and password. Once you get the user ID and password, you can begin with the application. And after uploading the documents and completing the application, you can submit, and then you'll get the application number, which is very important for IIFT Kakinada. Step 2 is the document details, that is recent passport photograph should be in JPG format and less than 100 KB. Same for your scanned signature document, it should be in JPG format and less than 100 KB. Your scanned certificate, 10th and 12th certificate needs to be uploaded separately and should be less than 5 MB as they have mentioned. Now, once I click here to fill the IIFT online form, I have this page where I have to first mention the application number provided by IIM Indore through mail after the registration is done. Then we have to put here the registered email ID and the mobile number. Same here, confirming the registered email ID and the mobile number. Once this is done, click on the submit button. Here we have this page where you have to upload all your personal details. That is your name, your mother's name, father's name, nationality, category to which you belong, if you have any disability, date of birth and gender. Address, while putting the address, make sure that the address is correct and the email ID is also registered, because you will be getting all the details on your email ID. Then we have mobile number. Again, mobile number should be registered mobile number. Academic details, year of passing. Mention the year of passing for 10th examination, school name, the city and the board which you have passed the examination in. The percentage can be uploaded in the percentage format or in the CGPA format. Percentage, and then in class 12, same year of passing, school name, city and the board. If you are appearing in 12th examination this year, then the percentage should be entered as 0 since you are appearing. Now about the document upload. The passport size photo should be in the JPG format and less than 100 KB. Same for the signature. Signature document should be scanned and uploaded in the JPG format and less than 100 KB. The mark sheet needs to be uploaded separately. If you're appearing, then no need to upload the 12th mark sheet, only the 10th mark sheet, and then save details and proceed. Once you save detail and proceed, this is the payment page which will be open. Here is a link to pay the fees. And one unusual thing which IIFT Kakinada is asking is for submit your payment details to proceed. Uh, Payment proof. That is what in whichever mode the payment is made, the receipt which is received needs to be converted into PDF and uploaded here as a payment proof. Once this is done, the registration will be completed and you'll receive the registration detail on your email ID. I hope student this helps and all the best for your coming entrance exam. I wish you all the best. Thank you.